Why you cut onions past the center?
I better not dey stress me, oh. Not dey stress me. Not dey stress me. I just dey manage. See fish. Now this kind of fish you make till they cook stew.
Makes me come into your presence. I have found there's something that makes me come into your presence.
Babe, if you never see ready.
I have found.
Jesus! Jesus!
What's happened?
Why you dey cut onions like this?
I don't understand.
Why you dey cut onions like this? Why you go cut onions like this? How many cut remain for the onion? You know how much for the onions? Why you cut onions past the center?
I better not dey stress me, oh. Not dey stress me. Not dey stress me. I just dey manage the one do all this thing so because this is not with my it's not my nature. Wetin be all this one now? See fish. Now this kind of fish you make till they cook stew. Wetin do Scooby? Wetin do turkey? Wetin do chicken?
Everything do Scooby, everything do turkey if you don't know.
Wetin be this one? See tomatoes. How many stew you want cook?
Everything do wait now, everything do Scooby, everything do turkey because you don't get no one way they buy the corn this house. Say you take cut onions, you dey cut onions like this for your papa house.
I no get no right there on this house. For the first time why I come your house, why I feel like manage cook, you just dey see me finish.
For the first time when you come, I know me. If you actually come for the first time, you buy turkey, you buy this they forbid. Say you take the cut onions.
You be ungrateful person.
You want to waste my money?
You be ungrateful person.
Or if you don't want to come out from my
You
kitchen.
be ungrateful person. See, I be hot cake. Oh. I be hot cake if you know.
You don't want to come out from my kitchen.
Make you dey know now.
Why they cut onions big?
If it easy, why you no cook? I say you say you want other food. Why you no cook am?
See why they cut onions they pass. How many cut remain for the onions?
You for cut am down now. You for cut am down.
How many cut remain for the
You
onions?
for cut am down.
Can't be that one.
Only you cook your food. They see and they cook. I
No
bet
let you cook your food.
they cook my pass now.
Pepper, this thing, if I cut pepper, don't say I be last one. The pepper me for ground only the pepper make come out.
Say no, my
Ground only the pepper make come out.
my grandmother the pepper may come
You know,
out.
since I get everything for kitchen.
My grandmother the pepper may come out. Wait, this one na if they call kitchen, you they call this one. This one na security post.
You get anything when under this kitchen? You get anything? You know the see groundnut all here. You know the see everything not there here.
You know say you be ungrateful person.
Sure, be
And I
ungrateful
regret
person.
why I even say yes to you.
I bet don't do.
I regret am. You go cook the food.
You don't put salt for this thing.
You go. I don't put salt.
You don't do not the.
I don't leave me. You
No,
should
nah.
be there. Which kind human
No,
being?
the way they cut the onions too much now. See now, onions they cut.
What did you if you help me drive for the kitchen? But that why you even go buy this kind of fish?
No, nah, wait. On the normal, you cut onions like this for papa, mama.
Now say they cut onions. Why you go buy this kind of fish?
This is a laziness.
What did
Nah.
they call this one?
See onions, the one way remain for the onion go rich people take cook. People they suffer. And to put the rule, not be any other person.
You don't make the kitchen tire me. I beg.
You don't do it, you don't put salt. You don't
I don't put salt for your rice.
You don't do
My pass now. My pass because you dey look less. You dey look me less.
No, cut.
You dey look me less.
Not be less matter. Yeah, you cut the onions like this. Cut them. There's not so they cut onions, man.
Why you no cut and they cut am and
The one way remain.
I think for the assist me for the kitchen. They
All
cut am
this
and
one,
they
you
do
go
am.
add and
They cut am and they do am. They cut am and they do am. They cut am.
Oh yeah, you grana. It's not be say if I grana.
You are not dey stress person.
No vex. But they cut onions where it is cost. We will not call here because they waste my property.
Wetin be this one? Oh,
You don't do. I need to tell you now. I come out, man. Show you where so dey. See pepper, everything they don't do. But the cut onions, why you cut onions like you cut onions like this for your
okay, you go
papa?
come for the kitchen, abi? May I leave the food for you?
Which kind of rubbish be out why you cut onions like this? Say where you cut onions, you cut onion pass center.
You come for the kitchen.
Now my money they waste like this. You don't do.
Oh, yeah, come for the kitchen now.
My mama say, woman will go waste your money now. Matches now they tell you no. Why waste my money like this now? Cook the food you want cook. You do like say you get another place where you want for shop. Cook if you want cook. But cut the onions well, you know the shout. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Mustache should be like, I don't know where the thing is. I bet you break. Never get blender. Never get normal blender. I bet you go plug now. They stress me. They owe me. Hot cake like this.